Example 5. Calculate the area of the shaded region. So the graph is drawn between y and x. There are two curves. One is equal to y is 1, y is equal to 3x. Other one is y is equal to root x. We need to calculate the area under these two graphs. Therefore, we can let us calculate the area under O. Let this be A. Let this be B. So let us calculate the area under OAB, and then we will calculate area under O. Let this point be C, OCB. Then we will subtract area of OCB from OAB. Therefore, we will get the area under the shaded region. So for the first one, so let me calculate area under OAB. So for that, I take a small area. Let the width be dx and height be, let y as a function of x, let y value be almost constant. So what we can write, dA is equal to y as a function of x times dx will be the area of the small shaded region. Therefore, the total area can be calculated. dA is equal to y as a function of x is equal to 3x dx. So since we need to calculate the total area under OAB, let us integrate from 0 to a, from 0 to 4. So what we get, a is equal to 3 comes out, integral x 0 to 4 dx. So therefore let this area be a1. So a1 is equal to 3 integral of x dx is equal to x square by 2. X square by 2 limits 0 to 4. Therefore a1 can be written as 3 by 2. In the place of x, if I substitute 4 square 16 minus 0. So which will be 8 into 3, which is 24 square units. And let us calculate the area under OCB. So what we get, let me take a small area. Let this width be dx and height be y as a function of x. So what we can write, small area is equal to y as a function of x into dx. Therefore small area is equal to y as a function of x is equal to root x. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2 dx. This is the area under area of small part. What is the area of the total part? Let it be integrated. So 0 to a and 0 to 4. So integral of dA is a. Integral of x power 1 by 2 dx is x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by x 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Limits 0 to 4. So what we get, 2 by 3. In the place of x, let us substitute 4 power 3 by 2 minus 0. So 2 by 3. 4 can be written as 2 square whole power 3 by 2. 2 to get cancelled. So we get 2 by 3 2 cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 2 cube is 8. So 16 by 3 square units. So this is A2. So we want to know what is the area under the shaded region, which is nothing but A1 minus A2 will give the area under shaded region. So A1 minus A2 will give shaded region area. So that is 24 minus 16 by 3. So 24 into 3, which is 72. 72 minus 16 by 3. What we get? 56 by 3 square units.